Yo, 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 what up, YouTube Yaks? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So, I just hit my camera. Sorry about that. And we got a package. Y'all know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So y'all probably wondering what this is, but you already know what it is because you know how the stuff is when you review videos, because the thumbnail basically tells you what the product is and all that good stuff. And yeah, I finally found my bat knife and I keep it in my camera. Jumping, chill fast, freaky, higgly, oh god, oh. This thing is heavy. Sorry about the desk. I was cleaning the desk. That's why you see it. I had to using this to clean my desk, as you can see right there. Does the job good. Every time my mouse pad gets dusty, which I'm going to be replacing this mouse pad soon. But I don't know how I feel about this keyboard. It's the keycaps is what got me. I'm buying new keycaps. I'm gonna be buying the Akko's Midnights that actually has pinks, but I don't know how I feel about this keyboard. I spent $120 something on this keyboard through Amazon because you wasn't able to find this through the actual website. And you actually can't find this on Epomakers. Just the color, bro. I'm retiring my Ducky board. The Frozen Llama Edition. Round 1. Onboard memory. I need some theme music. Theme music for this. We need some theme music. Oh my god. This better surprise me. This better wow me. Like, it better wow me. For real. This better wow me. Then, like, I don't know how to feel about this keyboard. It better wow me. That's what I gotta say. It better wow me. Okay. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. I'm just not liking the grays in here, but these are gonna get replaced with the Midnights. Oh yeah. We gotta mod this. We gotta mod this. And these are not lubed. Nope. These are not lubed. Let's grab that keycap puller real quick. We got the silvers. I really wanted the wine reds, but this is the only one I could get off Amazon. Yeah, I'm gonna have to lube these switches. Okay, we got a whole modding situation coming on. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, we gotta lube this thing. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna have to switch out one of my cords, which this one I'm gonna have to put one of the other ones because the round part is really not gonna fit in here. I think it's not gonna fit. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Yeah, so I'm gonna need my other cable. Yeah, I'm gonna need my other cable. It's not a problem. But yeah, guys, this is it. And I am gonna catch you guys in a few. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. 1, 2, 1. I put the wrong fingers up. It got me all fucked up now. I'm sorry, guys. I can't even talk. I'm stuttering. I'm out of here. Peace.